what makes RG and Bargy the best planets in the galaxy.
The fact that they're both red. Planets RG and Bargy are also round. Like all my favourite things. Bubbles, bobbles, donuts. They're also sibling planets, did you know that?
Speaking of siblings, we all know Nova travels with her sibling / manager McLaren, who is right over here rocking a new hairdo. What's it like working with your sister?
Well, it's pretty great. If you think it's great being blamed for everything and getting 0 credit for all your hard work. Sorry, working with Nova is like living in a nightmare every day. Sorry, there seems to be a problem with my brain to malfunction. Can I just thank the Archie Parties for tuning in? If you weren't such colossal kerfuffleheads, we wouldn't have had to bother. You just ruined the perfect interview. Nova, I didn't mean any of that, except all of it. What's happening to me? What's happening is you've made everything a gazillion times worse. Because of you, we will have to take the long way round. And I'm going to become irrelevant. Whatever that means. A mega serving of Nova's favourite ice cream. And can you write sorry on top in chocolate sauce? Well, you've been as helpful as a bib tied on backwards!
Impressive attitude, McClaws. Look at you, taking no nonsense off nobody with your banging new barnet.
You still here, Snippy Long Fingers?
Just wanted to see you change your life. Off I goes. Hairs aren't gonna style themselves.
Planet Archie and Bargy are demanding an apology from Nova. Okay. Here we go.
Hatch is closed. Who's gonna make us our lunch now?
Oh, I would be honoured to cook for you, Captain of the North.
I would be honoured to receive your cooking, Sid.
Oh, no. The honour would be all mine.
Who is the worst manager? Her name is McLaren.
Do you really want to make a whole album of songs being mean about McLaren?
McLaren ruled my tour of the galaxy beyond. And now we're stuck going the long way round. Nova, please. Planets RG and Bargy have agreed to hear us out if we formally apologise to them. If we apologise, it was you being a bumbling boof bum. I know, and I'm sorry, but you can fix it. If you stop being such a difficult dingbat and listen. I don't know why I said that. I'll get the delegates for you. See? With the meanness.
Yes, you were both quite mean.
Yeah, well, she started it.
Most impressive are those who end name-calling. That shows star quality.
You're right. I should come up with more zingers to really shut her up.
No, you don't end name-calling by being the worst. You finish it by being nice.
Fine. I'll be the nicest Nova ever, because I've got star quality. That'll show my silly sister.